Imagine browsing the web without ever typing into Google again. What if your browser could research for you, summarize articles, book your flights, even write emails, all by simply asking it? Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? Well, it's here. It's called Comet, the brand new AI-powered browser from Perplexity AI, and it might just make Chrome feel outdated overnight. Hey everyone, welcome back to AI LedgerX, your go-to channel for all things artificial intelligence, smart tools, and the tech that's shaping tomorrow. If you're into staying ahead of the curve with AI breakthroughs, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more deep dives like this one. So, what exactly is Comet? In simple terms, it's not just a browser, it's an AI-native web experience. Built on Chromium, the same engine as Google Chrome, Comet integrates a conversational AI directly into your browsing. That means you can literally chat with your browser. Think of it like having a personal assistant inside your browser. One that can answer questions, summarize articles, compare products, and even book flights. All without you lifting a finger. But this goes beyond just chatting. Comet can take actions, meaning it doesn't just give you answers, it helps you do things. It can read content across multiple tabs, follow instructions, make comparisons, write draft emails, and even help you complete multi-step tasks online. That's what makes it different from just pasting links into ChatGPT. Let's talk about the key features that make Comet stand out. First, agentic AI. Comet is designed to behave like an intelligent agent, not just a tool. It understands context and can carry out sequential actions, like a smart assistant that knows what to do next. Second, its context-aware tabs are a game changer. You can be reading about startup trends in one tab and managing your calendar in another, and Comet won't lose track. It knows what you're doing, even across different tabs. Third, you've got smart highlighting. Just select any piece of text on a page and ask Comet to explain it, challenge it, dig deeper, or summarize. It's like having an expert fact-checker, researcher, and tutor all at once. And finally, it's privacy first. Comet doesn't use your browsing data to train its models. Your information stays local, and there are no targeted ads, which is pretty rare these days.
Now, how does Comet stack up against other browsers? Well, if Chrome is search-driven, Comet is answer first. Chrome gives you links, Comet gives you decisions. Edge added AI later, but Comet was built around AI from day one. Even Arc, which is known for its sleek UI and organization, doesn't automate workflows the way Comet does. In short, Comet doesn't just show you the web, it thinks on the web. So who can actually use Comet right now? At the moment, it's in closed beta and only available to Perplexity Max subscribers. That's their premium tier, priced at around $200 a month. If you're not a subscriber, you can join the waitlist. It's clearly designed for power users. Think researchers, developers, founders, content creators, people who are ready to hand over digital grunt work to AI. And it's already being used in fascinating ways, summarizing lengthy reports, researching market trends, booking reservations, fact-checking news articles, crafting custom outreach messages, and even assisting in coding workflows. Early users say that once you stop micromanaging and just let Comet run, it really feels like a virtual research assistant living inside your browser. But let's be honest, it's not perfect. Being in beta, the UI can feel sluggish at times. It's still catching up to the smoothness and speed of Perplexity's standalone web app. And at $200 a month, it's not meant for casual use just yet. Plus, if you like total control over every tab and action, you might find it jarring to delegate that to an AI agent. But remember, Gmail started with invites too. So here's the real question. Is Comet the future of how we browse? We've moved from static websites to mobile-first design to AI-first interaction. Comet is betting that the next evolution is agentic browsing, where you don't just consume the internet, you collaborate with it. And if it succeeds, it could completely change how we research, work, and automate our digital lives. Comet is a web browser built for today's internet. In the last 30 years, the internet has evolved from something we simply browse or search. The internet is where we live, work, and connect. This clean, minimalist layout is designed to help users interact with AI in a natural and intuitive way, whether for research, recommendations, fact-checking, or general knowledge. It functions much like a search engine, but with a conversational twist. Instead of just retrieving links, Perplexity AI will generate a coherent, cited, natural language response to your question. You can type in anything from "what are the latest AI trends" to summarize the Cold War, and it will pull information from real-time and curated sources. The Discover tab is designed to help users explore popular, timely, or insightful content directly within Perplexity AI. Instead of having to search from scratch, this tab gives you a springboard into some of the most important or talked about themes across the internet, all through the lens of AI-curated information. At the top of the sidebar, under the Discover label, there's a section titled Topics. These are predefined categories you can click to dive into specific types of content or search topics. The goal here is to give users faster access to the kind of insights they're likely interested in, especially for news, analysis, and research. Each category inside Discover is essentially a shortcut to intelligent web search, but instead of just showing links like Google, Perplexity uses its AI engine to generate digestible, source-cited summaries. Whether you're browsing casually or doing focused research, Discover helps you tap into the most relevant content quickly. You could think of it like having your own personalized AI journalist. It scans the web for you and presents the key points, saving you from sorting through dozens of open tabs or articles. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to AI LedgerX, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into the tools shaping the AI future. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.